Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm home, I'm not working, so I'll be making my Sunday dinner. I do it once in a while. See, I'm wearing my apron. I start cooking. So today I'll be making macaroni pie. I'll be making stew peas. I'll be making macaroni pie, stew peas, callaloo, and what else? I'm cooking oxtail. I'm gonna cook some chicken, some oxtail, and what else? What else I'll be cooking? I'm gonna make some rice and I'm gonna make some coleslaw. So as you could see, I'm in the kitchen all morning. I'm so tired. So I'm just making some food prep. So then I'm gonna put everything together and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. So as you could see, I look tired. So I'm sitting on my couch, I'm waiting. I sent my daughter to the grocery store to grab some stuff for me to finish cook this food. So that's it. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be cooking. Some people think that I can't cook, because they say, oh, you can't cook. You always have nails on. I could cook. If I can't do anything, I could cook. So I'm just here, as you could see, I look tired. So I'm just waiting for my daughter so I could finish cooking. I almost finished. My peas is already bust. My callaloo is there. I'm just waiting for the stuff to put in it. And what else? I think that's it. So can't wait to finish cook my dinner. I'm tired. I didn't go anywhere last night to say I went out. I was home. I worked yesterday. I get home late, like around 11:30. I got home. So I'm just sitting in my couch. I'm cooking my oxtail. It's a little bit hard. I didn't put it in the pressure cooker because I'm not rushing to cook. So I'm doing fine. You want to know what's in my nose? I paste my nose, so this is just part of the nose ring that peeping out here because I didn't want it to fall out. So I got this one. When it healed, then I'll get a different one. So now my daughter's home. Let me spin the camera so you guys could see she coming in. Oh, so you see, she backing up. That's the car. She's coming home. What is she doing, really? She's backing up. I sent her to the grocery store. And you know what? She leave her car in the garage and she drive mine. Oh. Can you believe? To be honest, I never know my daughter could have drive so well. She was the last one to go get a license, the last one to be driving, and she doing so good. She parked the car even better than I do. So I'm just here. So now they're home, so I could go finish cooking my food. Peace up. Oh, I'm so tired. I'm gonna finish cook. When I finish vlog my food, then I will send it over so you could see. I was cooking all day today. I'm home. I didn't go anywhere, and everybody asking me, how come you're home and you dress up like this? This is me when I'm home. I like to look good even when I'm home in my house. So peace out.